This is a review of ANRAN home security system. It is HD camera kit. It has two cameras. Those are PTZ and one home base. Anywhere, anytime surveillance. It has simple setup, phone remote anywhere, viewing HD picture, weatherproof, IP66 rated, day-night monitoring. The resolution for this 4 megapixels and 5 megapixels. You can use your PC, smartphone, then you can see it. Motion detection, schedule, and full day recording. Wow, it has full day recording. That's also good. Lens 3.6 millimeters, day and night. Auto ICR, motion detection, PTZ control, power of recovery, video playback, and network interface. It has Ethernet connector also. You can use these cameras in family, supermarket, company, school, parking lot, and shopping mall. Let's open it and see what we have in the box. Here is the user manual and stickers. We have 3 boxes exactly. Let's take the first one out and put it over here. And the second one right here. And the third one is right here. Let's open the first box and see what we have. Ethernet cable, 2 USB, 8 USB-C cables, screw pads, guidance stickers, and 1 adapter. Here is our base. SD card and USB-C input and Ethernet input. Let's check the cameras. The first camera right here with the solar panel. And let's put it over here. And this is the mounting tool. And here is the second camera. This is PTZ, 360 degrees pan and 90 degrees tilt. Antennas and solar panel. Mounting tool. When we screw this on the wall, we're just gonna put it over here, right there, and lock it. Before you continue, you need to charge the cameras. This is our application. Let's add the device.
Device is found. Please click the add button to add the device.
We're gonna add the device. 2.4G. It is configuring the network.
Wireless settings, please wait.
Now it is trying to connect.
The wireless connection is successful.
Next. Oh, alright. That's wonderful. Okay, we added the camera. That's awesome. And what about the other camera? Let's add the other camera.
Searching for nearby devices.
And you need to reset
Please
it.
configure the network.
Device is found. Please click
And
the
now
add button
it's
to add
found.
the device.
We can go ahead and edit. Don't forget that you need to use 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi.
Wireless settings, please wait. The wireless connection is successful.
Now it is successful. Next. finished. And we added the cameras. I put one of the cameras right here, right there. This light, when you look at the light, it is very strong, and the quality of the video is also awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and make the full screen. Now you can see we can use the PTZ option. The quality is wonderful, and the router and the home base is all the way far, but still it is working well. I put the other camera is right there, and let's go ahead and make it full screen and PTZ option. Wow, it is flawlessly working. There is no distortion, and the quality is awesome. This is night vision. Go to settings and screen and sound setting, night vision mode, and it was infrared night vision, and now full color night vision. And finish. Let's go back, and we can see full color. And this is full color. This is SD version. Let's check it out. HD. Wow, look at that. And you can stretch the video like that or like that. Let's go back. There is zoom option, 2x, 4x, and 8x. We're gonna check this out during daytime. Now we're checking during daytime. It's right there, the camera, and then it is saying person detected. It has 2x, 4x, and 8x. This is SD version. Let's change it to HD and see the difference. You can see the difference. And here is the full screen. Confirm. Alright, that's the siren. And I can suggest this camera because it is working with the solar system, and it has PTZ option, then alarm. There is two-way audio talk, and let's check the PTZ. And it is forever power. You don't have to use cables or wires or anything. That's why I can suggest this product. And person detected. Yep.